Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Outlook app and making sure you're signed into the account you want to change. Tap your profile icon, top left or top right depending on your device, because that opens account settings. Once done, choose Settings or Manage Account. This reveals profile options. You do this now because the profile area is where Outlook stores your avatar. Make sure the app is updated and that it can access photos or camera so you can upload an image without interruption. Next, tap the profile picture area and select Change or Edit Photo. This initiates the upload flow. You'll be offered camera, recent photos, or files. Pick the source that has the image you want. After selecting, crop and position the image to match the circular or square preview so it displays correctly across devices. Then confirm the upload and allow time for Outlook to sync your new picture to the server. This ensures recipients and linked Microsoft services will show the update. Finally, verify the new picture appears in your profile and on a sent message to confirm success. If the image doesn't show, sign out and sign back in, or clear the app cache and re-upload. This forces a sync and often resolves stale images. If you're on a company or school account and can't change the photo, make sure policies don't block it and contact IT or Microsoft support, because administrators sometimes restrict profile edits at the organizational.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.